Anna family! Here's a highly requested how-to on our brand new primer bottle. Let's get started! Step 1. Filling the bottle. Don't fill the bottle to the brim. Instead, push the floor of your bottle to the ideal amount. A good place to start is halfway up the bottle. Doing this allows the remaining primer to stay fresh in its refill packaging. Step 2. Pumping out the primer. If you're experiencing difficulties with your airless pump, don't fret. Your primer isn't stuck, it just needs a little help. Simply turn the bottle over, slowly press down on the vacuum floor until the primer comes out. Step 3. Readying your bottle for a new refill. Our bottle uses a vacuum seal instead of a plastic one to push out the product. This means that you'll have to reset your bottle every time you refill it. To do so, simply unscrew the lid and push the vacuum floor down to the end. You can then adjust it to the desired height. And there you have it! Using our new pump bottle is super easy. Enjoy and stay radiant!